Hi, so I'm Deban and I'm the regional training manager for Kohler India. And basically today we had a session with Abhishek, and one of the best session that we had, and the entire learning objectives have met, which was the objective for the company. And I wish you a good luck to Abhishek and the entire team, in fact, of Kaizen. Thank you, Abhishek, and thank you, Kaizen.
So I'm Naveen. I'm regional sales manager for North for Kohler Kitchen and Bath business. And today we had an event for our Kohler Bold consultant, basically the promoters who take care of the stores. And we had people from all across North, and we had an engagement event which was more to do in terms of getting a team building feel for the participant. I think great job done. The way the participants have were engaged and they participate in. I think there was no activity where people were not participating, and the excitement was always there at their face. So kudos to Abhishek. I think it is a greatly done job, and I think it was worth having this event. Thank you.
Yeah, hi, I'm Amlan from Kohler. I am the zonal head for Delhi NCR. Today we had an amazing session in terms of the Kohler business board consultants which we have. Engaging them through this session was extremely important, and I think the session and Abhishek in particular has been able to deliver on the points that we wanted to probably tick mark upon. Secondly, I think the way the module was planned, it was extremely simple, and it was well reciprocated by the KVCs. Thirdly, which I think is also important for such sessions, is that it was not a monologue. It involved people a lot who were the audience, and it was more to do with which it revolved more around team building activities. I think this probably module would be the most simplest and the best I have attended, and kudos to you and your team, Abhishek. Thank you.